Hello, my name is Dillan Savage of Worth Law Office, and I practice primarily in the Oklahoma City, Oklahoma area. Today we are going to be discussing the feeding of garbage to swine, or otherwise known as pigs. Now, Oklahoma's law against feeding garbage to swine appears to be targeted at your larger industries, individuals that raise large amounts of pigs for slaughter to sell in the food industry. So this particular statute can be found in Title II, Section 6-27, and it starts out on a very strong note, simply stating that no person shall feed garbage to swine. There's no ifs and or buts on the first provision. Now, garbage, as defined by this statute, is meaning putrescible animal and vegetable waste resulting from the handling, preparation, cooking, and consumption of foods, and it includes fish, poultry, or animal carcasses. Now, with that being said, there is an exception. Those previous provisions that I just stated do not apply to individuals who feed only household garbage of the individual to the swine of the individual. So if you have your own swine and you're feeding them your household garbage, you are fine. Now, the other exception is any institution which feeds its own garbage to swine which are raised for the institution's own use. So that might be a bigger compound that uses their own garbage to feed to their own swine, again, for their own use. However, again, if it's, say, an institution that is feeding garbage to their swine to be then sold off somewhere else, that would violate the statute. So just to recap, if you are an individual feeding your own garbage to your own pigs for your own use, that's fine. Or if you are an institution feeding your own garbage to your own pigs for your institution's use, that is fine. However, as soon as an individual or an institution feeds their garbage to their pigs and attempts to sell those pigs elsewhere, that is in violation of Oklahoma law. If you found this video to be helpful or you believe it could help someone else, please go to theoklahomacityattorney.com. My name is Dillan Savage, and thank you for watching.